Ever wonder why your tea never tastes as perfect at home as it does in a cafe? Today, we are diving into the top 5 best rated electric tea kettles that solve that problem. Welcome to my channel, links are in the description, so stick around and discover your perfect kettle. At number 5 is Cosori Electric Kettle. Did you know most kettles still expose your water to plastic? That is where the Cosori Electric Kettle flips the script, and honestly, it feels like a breath of relief. Imagine pouring boiling water through a glass spout with a stainless steel filter, clean, pure, and safe. Now, compared with others in the top 5 best rated electric tea kettle picks, this one stands out for speed. 3 minutes, and you are sipping tea. That is faster than a stovetop, faster than most rivals. The wide mouth makes it stress-free. Of course, the blue LED light is sleek, but what really sells me is the peace of mind. Auto shut-off and boil-dry protection make it worry-free. At number 4 is Cuisinart Stainless Steel. What if I told you the perfect cup of tea or coffee is only a button away? The Cuisinart Stainless Steel kettle makes that dream real, and it feels like pure control in your hands. With 6 preset heat settings, you no longer guess water temperature. Whether it is delicate green tea at 175 degrees Fahrenheit or bold French press coffee at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, it nails the precision. And the 1point 7-liter capacity powered by 1500 watts means no long waits. Now, compared with others in the top 5 best rated electric tea kettle options, this one delivers versatility and reliability. The Keep Warm option and memory feature add peace of mind, while safety auto shut-off protects from accidents. On number 3 is Mueller Living Electric Kettle. What if making hot water could feel effortless and exciting? The Mueller Living Electric Kettle proves it can, and it does it with style. At 1point 8 liters, powered by speed boil technology, this kettle gets water bubbling in minutes. Watching the blue LED glow as it works is oddly satisfying, almost calming. Compared to others in the fast-boiling electric kettle lineup, Mueller nails the balance between size and speed. 7 cups in one go means no more waiting in line at family gatherings. The borosilicate glass not only looks stunning but gives you peace of mind that your water stays fresh. Auto shut-off and boil-dry protection eliminate the fear of leaving it on, while the cordless pour feels like freedom. At number 2 is KitchenAid Electric Glass Tea Kettle. Ever wondered why your tea never tastes the same at home as it does in a cafe? The KitchenAid Electric Glass Tea Kettle may be the missing piece. Built with premium shot Durand glass and stainless steel, it feels sturdy yet elegant, like it belongs on display. What sets it apart from other contenders in the top 5 best rated electric tea kettle category are the 5 specialty tea settings. Green, white, oolong, each brew tastes cleaner, fuller, more alive. The stainless steel steeper makes brewing effortless, but you can remove it to boil plain water just as quickly. Compared with others I have tested, this one is quieter, and the 30-minute keep warm mode feels like pure convenience. Now moving to the last one is BELLA Glass Electric Kettle. How often have you stood waiting for water to boil, only to wish there was a faster, safer way? The BELLA Glass Electric Kettle changes that story. At just $24.99, it feels like a steal. With a 1point 7-liter capacity powered by 1500 watts, it boils water quicker than a microwave and with more safety than a stovetop. Watching the borosilicate glass body glow as the water bubbles feels both modern and satisfying. Compared to other picks in the top 5 best rated electric tea kettle list, BELLA shines for affordability. You still get essentials like auto shut-off, boil-dry protection, and cordless pouring, though the lid not being fully removable is a small drawback. If I had to crown a winner, it would be the Cuisinart Stainless Steel Electric Kettle. Here is why: it blends speed, precision, and versatility like no other. With 6 preset heat settings, you never have to guess temperatures again. Your green tea, coffee, or oolong will always taste right. Add in a 1point 7-liter capacity, strong 1500 watt power, and smart safety features, and it is built for everyday convenience. If you want reliability with cafe-level control, this is the smart buy. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best rated electric tea kettle. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.